Welcome to my step-by-step guide to Rocrail. I find Rocrail a fantastic free piece of software for computerization of your layout. You can run trains on automatic mode and also manual mode. This is going to be my step-by-step guide to Rocrail, based on the official Rocrail step-by-step guide. On the main screen over here we'll have the download section, the support key, the wiki documentation and the support forum. In the wiki documentation, for example, I've opened up the English, and here is a comprehensive and detailed link to each piece of software apparatus within Rocrail. It is really a tribute to the team at Rocrail for having such a good piece of documentation, which is easy to follow as you go through. Also, we have the forum. In the forum, you can post for some help, post your successes, and just post in general through the Rocrail forum your ideas. To download it, click on download. It should be noted that I'm using Windows, but I'm going to try and keep it generic as possible, so if you're using Mac or any other device, it should be pretty much the same. In the download section, we've got a daily build. It's a bit unlike other pieces of software. Every single day it's constantly evolving. There's no reason to update your version every single day, but if you do an update, it is recommended you back up your software first, your save files, etc. before doing an update. Down here we'll have Win32 for a Windows 32-bit machine and Win64 for a Windows 64-bit machine. If I click on that there, it will download that version. Once it's downloaded, I can open up the file. Once you've extracted the WinZip into your acquired destination on your PC, be it on your hard drive or in my case here on a USB, open it up and you're looking for the RocView or the command script file. Sometimes when you open it up, depends on your machine, I'll come up with a Windows Defender warning. If you click on more information, run anyway, it will run without any problem. Once you have put Rocrail View into the computer, you can also put in a link to your desktop by double clicking desktop link. This sometimes also comes up with the error for Windows Defender. The same again, click on more information, run anyway, and I'll put the link on your desktop for RocView. So when I first open up RocView, it comes up with the support key. With Rocrail, it is run entirely with volunteer labour. However, it does need contributions of money to support the vital aspects of Rocrail, i.e. keeping the website running and the servers up to date and supporting hardware and software. You don't have to support Rocrail, but if you're using it, why not give them a bit of support? If you click on support now, it takes you back to the Rocrail web page. Two methods: you can use a bank transfer or you can use a PayPal payment. They do ask for a minimum of €12, but it is up to yourself how much you want to donate to support Rocrail. If you do use PayPal, PayPal do charge a fee to Rocrail, not yourself. Therefore, every penny you give won't go to Rocrail. PayPal will take a cut. If you use a bank transfer, Rocrail will receive every single penny you donate to them. You also get the page here, your terms and conditions. If you click on agree and OK, that'll be the last time you see that screen. Now we're in Rocrail and it is in basic grey colour. If you wish to go to a more colourful page, File, Rock View Properties, and you come down to grey icons. Untick the button there, click OK, and nothing happens until you reboot. So I'll switch it off and reboot. Now I've got the Rocrail in full colour. Another thing to note as well, if you wish to change the default language, if you go up to View, go to Language, you can select whichever language you want from this list. In Rocrail, this area here is your track plan, and this is your locomotives. At the moment, we've no track plan in here. If you wish to see the demo track plan, if you go to File, Open Workspace, and you've got a choice, the demo or the wiki demo. If you double click the wiki demo, that will open up the workspace. This is the wiki demo workspace. Now we can see some locomotives in here, some tracks, some switches, some sensors, and so on. Well, that's enough for this episode, folks. The next episode will show you how to open up a blank workspace and start laying some track, putting some locomotives, and correcting your DCC command station. Thanks for watching. Bye.